मैं बना रही थी, आधा में रोक दिया उसने।
नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Jevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic handling of prescription and errors in prescription. So, subject name is Pharmaceutics Theory, discipline for the B Pharm first semester. So, what is the following steps are to be followed during handling of a prescription for compounding and dispensing? Receiving and reading and checking. Collecting and weighing the material. So the compounding, labeling and packaging. Receiving, the prescription should be received by the pharmacist himself. While receiving, he should not change any facial expression. So because it may cause an impression on the patient that he is surprised or confused after seeing the prescription. Reading and checking. On receiving the prescription, the pharmacist should check the prescription whether it is written in a proper format. The prescription should always be screened behind the counter. Any doubts in case of prescription, ingredients or drugs and directions, he should discuss with another senior pharmacist or physician, but not with the patient. So what to check in a prescription? Error in dose, wrong drug or doses form, contraindicated drug, synergistic and antagonistic drug and drug interactions. So the collecting and weighing the material. Before compounding the prescription, all the material required for it are collected on the left side of the balance. After weighing, each material should be shifted onto the right side of the balance. While compounding, label of the stocks bottle should be read at least 3 times to avoid any error. When taken from the shelf, when the contents are removed for weighing, measuring, when containers are returned back to its proper place. So compounding, labeling and packaging. Compounding should be carried out in a neat place. All the equipment should required are cleaned and dried thoroughly. Only one prescription should be compounded at a time. The compounded material should be filled in a suitable container based on quantity and use. The size of the label should be proportional to the size of the container. Label should contain the required suggestions, directions to the patients. So all over these handling and the prescription and error in the prescription is very important role play in the pharmaceutics. So this digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now, I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.